Just a little tip for ice fishing in the winter. And, well, basically when you're stuck outside on a real cold day, obviously it's not always nice inside. And I like to be, if I'm jigging, I like to be inside the clam tent. Everything's nice and warm with the Mr. Heater going. You don't have any issues with ice on your line, but we're chasing open water fish today, and you got to run around. I mean, most people know that do it. A lot of times, especially if you're not patient like me, I don't like to sit in there and just wait for the fish to come back to me. I get set up on them, but they move sometimes, and I'm going to have other holes. I'm going to go out and run around, and very simply, you fight ice to a certain extent. You know, you have your jigging range just above the bottom where you're going to be fishing. When it's really cold and windy, you get a lot of ice build up on the line. And obviously, you get most of it right near the water level as you're lifting back up. You're trying to work the fish in and out, and it's just kind of a pain. This Seaguar Smackdown is way better than most because it's super smooth. But believe it or not, a tip from AMSOIL and Firearm Cleaner. I actually used to use AMSOIL INC for this. But essentially what you want to do, depending on the range you're fishing, just spray some of this on your main line at that level where most of your ice is going to be forming. And you'll find that it's a lot easier, even on the super cold days, it's just a lot easier to quickly wipe that off. And the nice thing about this, I use it to clean up all my guns. Unfortunately, I had to put the shotguns and rifles away for the year, but soon turkey season is coming. I got all my guns protected with that, but believe it or not, I can still use the Firearm Cleaner here in the winter, and it fits right in my Lakewood case, which I very much like.